रुद्रा बाय ऋतु में आप सबका एक बार फिर से बहुत सारा स्वागत है. I know it's been so long. It's been really long that I did not come on the channel. I did not make many videos. I believe that life is all about priorities, right? So there were a lot of priorities lined up. So I decided that let me keep something on hold rather than giving some unimportant, talks and share something which is not relevant. But yes, now most of the important priorities are done and I'm back, and I hope that I'm able to share some of my wisdom with you all. So do subscribe the channel if you have so far not subscribed. It's Rudra by Ritu, and today I'm going to just say one line. And what is that? That if you win in your mind, you will definitely win in reality. Which means that if anything is there in your mind, getting to do something, hoping for something to achieve, and have some dreams and aspirations, the first thing that we have to do is we have to do the planning in our mind and imagine ourselves winning. Imagine that yes, I will, I can, I will, I can. And if we start doing that, there's nothing that can stop us. So the first step, the first journey is to imagine that yes, you can do it, right? So if you can win in your mind, and if you decide to win in your mind, you will definitely win in the real life also. So this is from Ritu, and waiting just to come back again. And do subscribe, and every day I will make sure that I send something nice to you. Thank you so much. This is Ritu Rajneesh from Rudra by Ritu. Thank you. Take care, all of you. Take care.